At BVIS, we've got amazing outdoor play facilities at the moment. We have a wide range of facilities that suit children of all ages, and it also ensures that they're practicing their teamwork, collaboration and communication skills outside of the classroom. Very soon we're introducing a new wet play area into our early years playground. This wet play area is going to be fantastic for enhancing our children's education. It will enable our children to engage with early scientific thinking, helping them work together collaboratively in pairs and in small groups, allowing them to develop their motor skills by playing and interacting with that water.
The new STEAM room will be purpose-built, state-of-the-art, and it will be an uplifting and inspirational space. STEAM is a very hands-on subject, and the new room will be designed to facilitate hands-on learning in all aspects. STEAM itself is a great subject for our rapidly changing world, and it's essential. In this STEAM space, the children will be able to develop their skills of adaptability, collaborative problem solving and creativity.
The new canteen is very beautiful with bright lights, new cozy and many food that you can try as well. I feel happy about it because I can hang out with my friends while I eat and try new food from different cultures.
We are constantly investing in our facilities to ensure that our school is offering the best educational experience for all children. We can't wait to show you these enhancements in the next academic year.